If you love a crispy pan-seared salmon, I have the recipe for you. It is super simple to make and it's totally restaurant quality. Let me show you how. Hey everybody, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today I am showing you how to make a pan-seared salmon. This is going to be served with a garlic lemon butter sauce, and it is ready in less than 30 minutes. All you're going to need is some salmon. I like a wild caught salmon, but if you can't get that, like any salmon that you find at your grocery store is going to be suitable. So I bought a family size fillet and I portioned it myself. I feel like that is the most economical way to buy salmon right now. I also have lemon, so you're going to zest your lemon and use the lemon juice, butter, minced garlic. We have salt, pepper, and garlic powder, a little olive oil for that sear, and some fresh herbs. I have some chopped parsley and chopped dill, and then just lemon to serve it with. To start our salmon, we're just gonna season it real quick here, and then we're gonna move over to the stove and finish it off. Preheat a large skillet over medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add the olive oil and about a tablespoon of butter to the skillet. Once the oil is shimmering and the butter is melted, we're gonna place the salmon fillets in the skillet, skin side down, and then increase the heat to high. Cook the salmon for about 3 minutes or until it easily releases from the pan when lifted with a fish spatula. Turn the salmon over and continue to cook until the salmon flakes easily with a fork, approximately 4 to 5 minutes longer. Next, transfer your salmon to a platter and keep it warm. For the pan sauce, we're gonna add the remaining butter to the pan and then turn the heat to medium-high. Add the lemon zest, lemon juice, stir in the garlic, and we're gonna cook it for about 1 minute until it's fragrant. We're gonna add the chopped dill and parsley. Just give it a little stir to combine. And now we can serve our salmon. All right, so I finished up the pan sauce here and we have the salmon. And I mentioned a fish spatula while I was cooking. If you don't know what a fish spatula is, it's this weird shaped spatula. It's very flexible. It's perfect for turning fish. And what I really love about it is if you don't like skin, I like to keep the skin on my salmon when I cook it. But if you don't really like the skin, this fits right between the flesh and the skin and kind of like peels it off seamlessly. So it's like it was never even there. I highly recommend this. I'll link to it down in the description. So if you want to get one for yourself. So our pan sauce is right here. I like to keep it in the pan and just drizzle it over my salmon right before I serve it. And you have all those fresh herbs and the caramelized garlic and the lemon. It's so, so good. A little bit more right there. All right, I'm gonna take a bite. Make sure it is amazing, even though I know it is. It's so good. It's rich and mild. And you can taste that lemon butter sauce. It is so, so amazing and super simple to make. If you like this recipe, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.